Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It generally takes between a week and 10 days to build an in-ground fiberglass swimming pool. Above-ground pools can be installed in a day or two, but, for a permanent structure, there will need to be a deck around the pool as well as pool fencing.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Monthly costs. Once the pool is installed, there are costs for routine maintenance. Owners use chlorine and care for the pool by brushing and vacuuming. Plan on spending between $90 and $100 a month to maintain the pool chemically.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.